Hi guys. So we decided that Aggie's gonna have her eyes changed. Love the brown, but we wanted to try something a little bit more fitting her aquatic nature. And we had also gotten the eye cradle. So just kind of wanted to go through a installation of the kit and changing out her eyes and seeing how everything kind of goes together. So the first thing we need to do is we need to remove her head. And I need to remove her wig. And all smart dolls have this little skull cat. Get that out. And if you can see, the eyes are actually put in with blue tack. So we are going to remove all of that. Now, one of the first things I noticed is that her eyes are much more domed than the anime style. It's almost a half round. That's a lot of blue tack. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do her ears first. There's some flat spots here on the cradle. So I think the blue tack will actually help kind of place that in there as well. So our earrings are done. There we go. Now, because I don't want to lose them while I'm doing the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move these back to the little magnetic square. And all the sticky tack that we saved, I'm going to need this smooth. I'm going to get my eyes. Now, the eyes we got were custom made eyes, and they came from Beautiful Custom Doll Boutique. So, and I'll make sure I put her links down below. And we got faded jeans. Oh, these are very pretty. They've got catch lights built into them. I'm going to try to hold one up. I'm going to put the Culture Japan eye next to it. I'm going to bring this right up to the camera, let it focus on it. And they are a little lower. The sclera is matte. And there's not quite as much of the clear doming on top of the custom eyes. And they are solid on the back, so we'll see if we can use these with the eye cradle or if I just need to put them in with regular sticky tack. So Danny's suggestion was take a little pea of sticky tack, put it on the ends of the little antenna part. And then take your eyes, and she's got the little catch lights. So, trying to determine how I want those to look. they're a little lighter on the bottom, and there's this little catch light that's printed inside, and then a couple more up at the top. So I think I've got these, looks like some kind of monster or Muppet.
Yep.
And I'm gonna slip these in here. Oh wow, that was super simple, guys. They are installed. You can see these. It's got these beautiful faded blue jean eyes, and yeah, they are in there. And I think I think I want to move this one up just a little bit, so I can just take that out. There, I think that's perfect. She's looking forward. Let's see if I can get the camera to you can see those eyes. Yeah, I think that's good. I like that. So I went ahead and finished dressing Aggie, and here she is in her final form. Our California surfer chick, and look at those eyes. This is a very beautiful doll, even with her original eyes and original wig, but I am really enjoying this look for her, for our little surfer chick. I really like these faded jean eyes for strength.